welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Before starting our class, let's take 1 minute relax. So, take your both hands like this and close your eyes. After that, follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes, put on your both hands and be relaxed. So students, this is your first period of English language. So take out your English language book and today's our topic is chapter 9 adjective. Open up page number 34. But before starting this chapter, let's recall previous chapter, which is chapter 8, the determiners. I told you it before in our previous class about determinants. We will recall determinants again here. You already know about determiners. These are fixing words. Determiners are called fixing words which are used before of noun or any adjective who represent the or who describe any noun. There are 4 kinds of determiners. First is demonstrative determiner, second quantitative, third numerical and fourth possessive. In first, demonstrative determinants goes to indicate something. These are books, those are your friends, these kites are looking nice. So which determiners, which words indicate something, that is called demonstrative determiners. And the next is quantitative determiners, which we cannot measure, like a little, a few, which we can't count. Uncountable. Uncountable nouns stands with quantitative and countable noun goes with numerical. I hope now this is clear to you all. Quantitative, that is uncountable. pretty girl, I'm a sensible girl. Okay, so this pretty, sensible, beautiful, cruel, kind, these all are adjectives. They are describing the personality. They are describing the personality of candidate, right? So these are quality. So adjective has few types and I am going to represent these all on the board. So look at the board properly. Adjective of quality. To show some persons or some things quality, as like this is there is a heavy mountain. The quality of mountain is heavy. I have a soft couch. The quality of couch is soft. Mother Teresa was a kind lady. The quality of Mother Teresa is, the quality of lady is kind. Ramesh is a honest boy. The quality of boy is honest. So who represent the quality of the candidate or things? As like an elephant is a huge animal. So the quality of elephant and animal, huge. So to represent the quality of noun. To represent the quality of noun, you know about the noun. Noun are the name of any person, place, animal or thing. To represent, to describe the quality of person, place, animal or things are called adjective of quality. Okay, as like Kanpur is a nice place. The quality of Kanpur, nice place. Okay, these are called adjective of quality. Now the second one is adjective of quantity. I have some fruits. I have few friends. These are quantity. How many friends you have? I have few friends. I have some good friends. I have some fruits. You have some fruits. They are having some fruits. So these represent the quantity. Some, much, few, little. These all are quantity, right? They stands for measure something. So adjective of quantity stands for to count the quantity. Third, possessive. Always remember that the possession stands for ownership. To apply ownership on anything, any noun, anything, any person, any animal, this goes for possessive. Possession. Possession means ownership. This is my ball. Our class teacher. Our class teacher. Our class teacher is a very kind lady. This is your pet. Jack is your pet. So these all words represents ownership. Mine, your, mine, our, yours. These words always represents ownership. these, those, this, that, these all are demonstrative. On possession, our, mine, yours, my, your. These words are always stands for possession. These words are always represent the ownership for any noun, any things, any animal, anything. And demonstrative always indicate anything. Okay. These, those. lot of animals. That's why we use superlative degree. When we talk about a single candidate, we use positive. When we compare between two things or two nouns, that means we will use comparative degree. And when we compare one to many, we will use superlative degree. I hope this is clear to you all. So this is enough for today, and try to do the given exercise which is given in page number 35 and 36, 35 and 36. Only two exercises which are given in your book. We will talk about the degree of comparison in our next class also. So try to do the exercise of degree of comparison also. But we will discuss it again in our next class. Till then, complete your work with good handwriting and try to learn the definition of and type of adjectives. Till then, bye bye and take care.
Good morning students, welcome to SGOI Public Solutions online classes. Students, this is a maths class and we are doing chapter 4. And chapter name is fraction. Students, in our previous class we finished our exercise 4i. So today we will start our next exercise 4j. Exercise 4j. Students, read question number first. Question number first is two friends ate 2 by 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 of a chocolate. What portion of the chocolate did they eat together? Two friends ate 2 by 3 means 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 of a chocolate. What portion of the chocolate did they eat together? So question number first part of chocolate, first part of chocolate is equal to 2 upon 3. First part of chocolate is equal to 2 upon 3. Second part of chocolate is equal to second part of chocolate is equal to 1 upon 4. Now we have to find what portion of the chocolate did we eat together. Means total chocolate is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. As we learned the fractions with unlike denominators, how to add the fractions with unlike denominator. Students, first we find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. So first we find the equivalent fraction of both of the fractions with denominator 12. The equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 with denominator 12 is equal to 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Okay. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. 4 to the 8. The equivalent fraction of 2 upon 3 with denominator 12 is equal to 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12 plus the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4 with denominator 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So we multiply 3 both numerator and denominator. So the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 4 with denominator 12 is equal to 3 upon 12. Now add both the equivalent fractions. 12, 8 plus 3. And the answer is 11 upon 12. And the answer is 11 upon 12. Understood? Question number 2. Students, read question number 2. Question number 2 is Kavita read English for 1 whole 3/4 hours and mathematics for 2 whole 1/4 hours. How much time did she spend on both of the subjects? How much time did she spend on both the subjects? Okay, sir. Question number 2. Time spent in English. Is equal to 1 whole 3/4. 1 whole 3/4. Now we will change this fraction into improper fraction. 4 1 4 plus 3 7/4. Next, time spent in mathematics. Time spent in mathematics is equal to 2 whole 1/4. 2 whole 1/4. So this is a mixed fraction and we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 9/4. 9/4. And we have to find how much time did she spend on the both the subject. Time spent in both subjects. So we add both the subjects, English plus mathematics. 7/4 plus 9/4. 7/4 plus 9/4. Here the denominators are same, so the addition of the numerators upon common denominator. Addition of denominators means 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. 16/4. Here we divide 16 by 4. 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 4. It means he spent 4 hours in both the subjects. Okay? He spent 4 hours in both the subjects. Understood? Students, question number 3. Read the question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is Mukesh bought a pencil for 2 whole 1/4 rupees and a sharpener for 1 whole 1/2 rupees. How much money did he spend on both these items? Okay? How much money did he spend on both these items? Cost of a pencil is equal to 2 whole 1/4 rupees. Now we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 4 2 is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9/4 rupees. It means the cost of a pencil is equal to 9/4 rupees. Cost of a sharpener. Cost of a sharpener. Cost of a sharpener. Cost of a sharpener is equal to 1 whole 1/2 rupees. 1 whole 1/2 rupees. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 3/2 rupees. 3/2 rupees. Now we have to find how much money did he spend on both these items. Okay? So we have to find total cost. Total cost is equal to cost of a pencil plus cost of a sharpener. 9 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2. Here we saw that the denominators are different. So we first find the LCM of both the denominators 4 and 2. The LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. The LCM of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. So we find the equivalent fraction of both the fractions. So the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 4 with denominator 4 is 9 upon 4 because the denominator is 4. So the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 4 with denominator 4 is 9 upon 4. Next, the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 2 with denominator 4. You multiply 2 in both numerator and denominator. 3 2s are 6. 6 upon 4. Okay, students? So the equivalent fraction of 9 upon 4 with denominator 4 is equal to 4, and the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 2 with denominator 4 is equal to 6 upon 4. Now the denominators are same. So we apply the formula. The addition of the fractions with same denominator is equal to the addition of the numerators upon common denominator. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15 upon 4. Now we change this improper fraction into proper fraction. 3 whole 3 upon 4. 3 whole 3 upon 4. Okay, students? Question number 4. Read question number 4. Students, read question number 4. Rani bought 3 pieces of cloth measuring 1 whole 5.6 meter, 2 whole 5.8 meter, and 3 whole 7.12 meter. What was the total length of the cloth purchased? Okay. So question number 1. Question number 4. Rani bought 3 pieces of cloth measuring. So the length of first piece is equal to 1 whole 5.6. 1 whole 5.6 is equal to 11.6. 6 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 11.6. Length of second piece is equal to 2 whole 5.8. 2 whole 5.8 is equal to 8 to the 16. 16 plus 5 is equal to 21/8. 21/8. And the length of third cloth. The length of third piece is equal to 3 whole 7/12. 3 whole 7/12. 12 3 36. 36 plus 7 43. 36 plus 7 is equal to 43/12. 43/12. And now find what was the total length of the cloth purchased. Means total length is equal to length of first piece plus length of second piece plus length of third piece. Means we have to add both the fractions. 11/6 plus 21/8 plus 43/12. Okay, understood? Now add all these fractions. Students, as we learned how to add both the fractions with different denominators. So first we change these fractions into their equivalent fraction and add the fractions. Okay, so you have to do this question yourself. Students, question number 5 to 10 you have to do yourself. Question number 1 to 10. Okay students, so enough for today. Now write down your homework. Students, today's homework is complete exercise 4Z. Complete exercise 4Z. Complete exercise 4Z. In our next class, we will start next exercise 4K. Okay, students. Thank you.
Good morning students and welcome to you all SHIVAJI group of institutions online classes. Student, this is your last period which is GK period. So let's start work. Okay. So take out your book and open your page number 36. The words of insect. Okay. Insects are certainly not a popular part of animal kingdom, okay, but play a critical role in the ecosystem. So solve the crossword and with the help of information and clues. So do yourself. Okay, now first question in this speck is black and yellow in color and had a sharp string. The answer is coming bar side. Okay, so let's start test paper second. Okay, now first question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, blanks is the largest seed in the world. The answer is here, crocodile, crocodile. Okay, crocodile. The first answer in this chapter, crocodile. Crocodile is the largest seed in the world. Okay, now B number is this. The tulsi plant has branch and religious value. The tulsi plant has branch with religious value. The tulsi इसमें यूज करते हैं हम लोग मेडिकल. ओके, let's see. Medicinal. Okay, the answer is here medicinal. Okay, now C question is this. Blanks is great for skin and effective remedy for the joints. Okay, किस प्लांट का हम लोग यूज करते हैं जो हमारे जॉइंट को इफेक्टिव कर सके? एलोवेरा. ओके, द आंसर इज हियर एलोवेरा. ओके, द स्पेलिंग इज हियर ALOEVERA. एलोवेरा. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, D number. Blank flies in soar over wide areas and destroys crops. Lotus. LOCUST. Okay. LOCUST. Lotus. Okay. Now fifth number. Botanically speaking, all fruits come from flowers. The answer is here flowers.
Now, once again I am repeating this exercise. Fill in the blanks. Okay. First answer is this: crocodile mud. Now, spelling is here: COCODEMER. Crocodile mud. Okay. Now, second question: medicinal. 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 Okay. Now, third question is this. Answer is here: aloe vera. ALOEVERA. Aloe vera. Okay. Now, D number answer is here: locust. LOCUST. Okay. Now, fifth number is this: flowers. The answer is here: FLOWERS. Okay. Now, next questions. Move on. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First number: this insect bird could not fly and was a native of commodities. The answer is here: dodo. Dodo. Okay. Now, second question is this: this is the national flower of Ukraine. The answer is here: sunflower. Okay. Now, third question is this: this next resembles a curve or bow. Okay. This resembles a curve or bow. The answer is here: cup nest. Cup nest. Okay. Now, fourth questions. It is a golden spice loaded with health benefits. It is a natural blood purifier. The answer is here: turmeric. Okay. Now, fifth number is this: this fish is mostly seen in aquariums. It is involved with strong social learning skills. The answer is here: goldfish. Fifth number is this: goldfish. Okay. Once again I am repeating. The answer is here: first answer is here: dodo. Okay. Now, second answer is here: sunflower. Now, third answer is here: cup nest. Okay. Now, fourth answer is here: turmeric. What is the spelling of turmeric? TURMERIC. is this? True. Okay. Are you clear? So complete this chapter and note down homework. To chapter 23 plus test paper second. Okay. So student, today's class is over and thank you for the time in the class. Good morning students. I welcome to you all Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Student, this is your last period which is small value period. Okay, so let's start for today chapter number 6. Okay, I will discuss about chapter number 6. So student, take out your book and open your page number 33. Student, in previous class we have done this chapter. I will be reading chapter number 6. Okay, and chapter name is Respective Teacher. Respective teachers. Okay, are you clear? Okay. So students, we have to some points in this chapter. Number first point is this: respective teachers. It means to motivate children that they should always respect their teachers. Okay. So let's start. What meanings is here? Words to know. Words to know. Okay. Now first meaning is this: comprehend. 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 It means understand. Okay. It means understand. Are you clear? So next is wisdom. Wisdom. It means intelligence. Intelligence. Okay. Are you clear? So next is discovery. Now next is discovery. Discovery means finding something. Discovery means होता है finding something. Okay. So let's start exercise. Now first exercise in this chapter. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Now, first question is this: teachers helps to blanks and blanks his work. Now, first answer is this: teachers help us to understand and learn. Understand and learn. Okay? First answer is this: understand and learn. Okay? Now, second question: our teacher show us the ways in which we grow. Which we grow. Okay? Now, third question is this: God created teachers to help us learn to make our world a better vision. is a place. Okay. Now first answer is this. Now first answer understand and learn. Now second answer is this. Go. And third answer is this. Vision. Okay. Now next questions in this chapter. Let's do it. Gather information about Dr. Radhakrishna and talk about him in the classes why we celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. Students, if you know that Dr. Radhakrishna was born on 5th September on 1888 in Tamil Nadu. So we celebrate his Teachers' Day. Okay, and you know Dr. Radhakrishna was the second president and the first vice president of India. Okay. So let's start. Do it. Dr. Radhakrishna was the second president. Was the second president and first vice president of India, and he was born on 5th September 1888 in Tamil Nadu. Okay, once again I am repeating these lines. Dr. Radhakrishna was the second president and first vice president of India, and he was born on 5th September 1888 in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so student, now note down homework. Complete this chapter. Do revise. Chapter 6 complete. Okay. So today's class is over and thank you for attending the class.
This is your art period. Everyone take out your art book and open page number 13, and today our topic is castle patterns. In this topic we learn about patterns. So complete the other half of castle with different patterns using sketch pens as shown. Here you can see half part is completed and the patterns are given and the patterns are completed using sketch color. So we have to complete this other half portion. So take out your pink color and start giving effect. Here you can give effect of this like this. And after completing this, take red sketch for this portion and draw here cross. And after this, take dark blue color and complete this portion. After doing this, take red color and draw here wavy lines. Now take dark green shade and draw here bubbles pattern like this. And after completing this portion, take purple shade for this portion and put a dots here over here. Alright, and now take orange color and draw here zigzag part. Now take sky blue color and draw oval shape over here like this, and here you can see the picture is completed. So I hope you all have understood that how to complete the picture with using patterns. Now this is your classwork. Move to your homework and on page number 12, and the topic is rocket. So complete this picture and color this picture with using poster colors or watercolors at your home and complete your homework. Thank you students for attending this class.